Want to travel the world with just a backpack? Discover 7 amazing destinations where you can explore stunning places, taste incredible food, and live unforgettable adventures, all without breaking the bank. Don't miss out on the secrets to backpacking like a pro! Thailand. Thailand is one of the best places to travel with just a backpack. It is famous for its beautiful beaches, delicious food, and friendly people. Backpackers love Thailand because it is affordable and easy to get around. When you arrive in Thailand, you can explore busy cities like Bangkok or relax on islands like Phuket and Koh Phi Phi. The street markets in Thailand are great for cheap food and souvenirs. You can try local dishes like pad thai, mango sticky rice, and spicy soups. Transportation in Thailand is simple. You can take buses, trains, or affordable flights between cities. Many backpackers use tuk-tuks or motorbike taxis for short trips. Hostels and guesthouses are everywhere and cost very little, so you don't need to spend much on places to stay. Thailand also offers amazing nature. You can visit jungles, waterfalls, and mountains in the north, like in Chiang Mai and Pai. Here you can go trekking or meet hill tribes. Many travelers join group tours or volunteer programs to explore deeper parts of the country. Safety is good for tourists, but always be careful with your belongings and avoid risky areas at night. The culture is rich and respectful, so learning basic Thai greetings will help you connect with locals. Peru. Peru is an exciting destination for backpackers who want adventure and culture. It is famous for the ancient Inca city of Machu Picchu, one of the world's greatest wonders. Backpackers come to Peru to explore history, nature, and local traditions. Most travelers start in the capital, Lima, where you can enjoy tasty food and see colonial buildings. From there, many go to Cusco, a city full of Inca history and great markets. Cusco is the gateway to Machu Picchu, and you can reach it by train or by trekking the Inca Trail. Peru offers many outdoor activities. Besides Machu Picchu, you can hike the Colca Canyon, see the floating islands of Lake Titicaca, or explore the Amazon rainforest. The landscapes are stunning, from high mountains to lush jungles. Traveling in Peru is affordable. Buses connect most cities, and there are cheap hostels and guest houses. Street food is also popular and inexpensive. You can try local dishes like ceviche, guinea pig, and quinoa soup. The altitude can be challenging in some places, so it's important to take time to adjust and drink plenty of water. Peruvians are welcoming and proud of their culture, so learning a few Spanish phrases will help you a lot. Iceland. Iceland is a unique and amazing place to visit with just a backpack. It is known for its incredible nature, including volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, and hot springs. Backpackers love Iceland for its wild beauty and outdoor adventures. Most travelers start in Reykjavik, the capital city. It is small but full of culture, music, and great food. From Reykjavik, you can easily join tours or rent a car to explore the country's famous sites. Iceland's nature is perfect for hiking, camping, and photography. You can visit places like the Blue Lagoon, Golden Circle, and Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Many backpackers camp in designated areas or stay in hostels to save money. Travel costs in Iceland are higher than many other places, but you can still travel on a budget by cooking your own meals and using public transport or hitchhiking. The weather can be cold and change quickly, so it's important to pack warm and waterproof clothes even if you have just a backpack. The country is very safe, and locals are friendly and helpful. English is widely spoken, which makes it easier for travelers. Vietnam. Vietnam is a top choice for backpackers who want to travel with just a backpack. It offers amazing landscapes, rich history, and delicious street food at very low prices. Many travelers find Vietnam easy and fun to explore. The journey often starts in Hanoi, the capital city, where you can enjoy lakes, old streets, and local markets. From Hanoi, you can visit places like Halong Bay, famous for its stunning limestone islands and boat trips. Vietnam's transport system is affordable and flexible. You can travel by buses, trains, or motorbikes. Many backpackers rent motorbikes to explore the countryside and small towns like Hoi An and Sapa. The food in Vietnam is fresh and tasty. You can try pho, banh mi, and fresh spring rolls from street vendors. Eating local food is cheap and part of the travel experience. Hostels and guesthouses are widely available and cost very little, perfect for budget travelers. Vietnam is safe, but be careful with your belongings in busy areas. The culture is rich with traditions, temples, and festivals. Learning a few Vietnamese phrases shows respect and helps you connect with locals. Morocco. Morocco is a great destination for backpackers traveling with just a backpack. It is known for its vibrant markets, ancient cities, and stunning deserts. Morocco offers a mix of culture, history, and adventure. Most travelers start in Marrakech, a city full of colors, sounds, and smells. The famous Gmil, Fna Square is alive with street performers, food stalls, and market vendors. You can explore old palaces, mosques, and narrow streets called Medinas. Traveling around Morocco is easy and affordable. You can use buses, trains, or shared taxis to visit other cities like Fez, Chefchaouen, and Casablanca. Each city has its own charm and unique attractions. Moroccan food is delicious and budget-friendly. Try dishes like tagine, couscous, and mint tea. Street food is tasty and cheap, perfect for backpackers. You can also visit the Sahara Desert to experience camel rides and sleep under the stars in a desert camp. This is a favorite for many travelers looking for adventure. Morocco is generally safe, but it's good to stay aware in crowded places and respect local customs. Learning a few Arabic or French phrases helps when talking with locals. New Zealand. New Zealand is a top choice for backpackers who love nature and adventure. It is famous for its beautiful mountains, lakes, and friendly people. Traveling with just a backpack here is easy and exciting. Most travelers start in cities like Auckland or Wellington. From there, you can explore stunning places like Queenstown, Rotorua, and the famous Milford Sound. New Zealand offers many outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and bungee jumping. The country has a great transport system with buses and trains that connect popular spots. Many backpackers also rent cars or campervans to travel freely. Hostels and budget accommodations are common and perfect for backpackers. Food can be a bit expensive, but cooking your own meals helps save money. New Zealand is very safe and welcoming for tourists, with English as the main language, which makes traveling easier. Nature lovers will enjoy the clean air, clear rivers, and amazing wildlife. Whether you want to relax or seek adventure, New Zealand has something for everyone. Portugal. Portugal is a perfect destination for backpackers traveling with just a backpack. It offers beautiful beaches, historic cities, and delicious food at affordable prices. Many travelers begin their journey in Lisbon, the vibrant capital. Here, you can explore colorful streets, historic sites, and enjoy lively music called fado. From Lisbon, you can easily visit nearby places like Sintra and Cascais. Portugal has a good public transport system with trains and buses connecting major cities. Backpackers can also explore Porto, known for its wine and charming old town. The Algarve region is famous for stunning beaches and great surf spots. Food in Portugal is fresh and tasty. You can try dishes like pastéis de natas, custard tarts, grilled fish, and hearty stews. Eating at local markets or small restaurants is cheap and delicious. Portugal is safe and welcoming. Many locals speak English, which makes traveling easier. The weather is pleasant most of the year, perfect for outdoor adventures. Backpacking in Portugal lets you enjoy rich culture, beautiful landscapes, and tasty food, all while traveling light with just a backpack. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this guide to backpacking, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips. Which destination would you choose to explore first with just a backpack? Share your thoughts below. Don't miss our next video, underrated European cities you should visit instead of Paris, coming soon!